Assalamualaikum. Hope you are doing well. Welcome to channel KT World Food. In this lecture, we shall discuss about plow diet recipe. Plow pancake. Ingredients: 6 eggs, 1 can coconut milk, 2 teaspoon vanilla, 1 teaspoon baking soda, 1 tablespoon honey, 2 teaspoon cinnamon, 3/4 cup coconut flour. Instruction: preparing this pancake is simple. This is healthy and does not require much time. All you have to do is beat the egg until they are frothy and mix the remaining ingredients together. Set the heat to medium and cook on the griddle. When you pour the batter, try to keep the cake small. Plow chip. Ingredient: 1 large ripe eggplant, 2 eggs, 2 cups. Instruction: shred the eggplant in a food processor. Mix it with egg and cheese. Bake on both sides the mixture at 450 degrees Fahrenheit in a preheated oven for 10 minutes. Loosen and flip the circles. Remove from oven and cut round into triangles with a pizza cutter. Allow it cool before being served. Broccoli and pine nut soup. Ingredients: 1 onion diced, 1 teaspoon oil, 3 cups broccoli, 3 cups chicken or vegetable stock, and 1/4 cup pine nuts. Start by frying the onion in a large pan with oil on medium heat until slightly browned. After the onion has been moderately browned, add the broccoli and the stock. Let the mixture simmer for 10 to 15 minutes or until broccoli has softened. Set it aside and let it cool down for a short time. Take your broccoli and stock mixture and place it in a food processor or use an electric blender. Process or blend until you have created a smooth texture. Plow apple recipe. Ingredients: 2 large apple, 2 cups strawberries, 1 teaspoon cinnamon, and 1/4 cup purified water. Instruction: clean, core and diced apple. Add diced apples and strawberries in a blender and add a 1/4 cup of purified water and cinnamon and process about 30 seconds of until smooth. Pour mixture on a Teflon sheet, a Teflon coated sheet commonly used to dehydrate delicate foods, and place in a plastic dehydrator. Dehydrate for 6-8 hours, remove Teflon and flip fruit. Continue drying another 4-6 hours until desired consistency is achieved. Use a pizza cutter to slice into snack-sized pieces. Italian style roast beef. Ingredients: 4-pound bottom round roast, 2 large onions sliced, 3 cloves garlic chopped, 1 tablespoon garlic powder plus more to taste, 1 tablespoon oregano plus more to taste, 2 cup fresh baby carrots. In Dutch oven, sear slides of roast over high heat until well browned. Brown in a few tips of oil in the Dutch oven in a medium high heat. On all slides, remove from the pan and set aside. Lower heat to medium and add onion and garlic, cooking about 3 minutes until softened. Season meat with garlic powder and oregano. Add return to pan. Add 1 cup cold water to pan. Cover and cook on medium-low heat for about 3-2 hours. Add more water as needed to create a rich as juice. After the second hour, arrange baby carrots around the meat, seasoning with garlic powder and oregano to taste. When meat is tender, remove from the meat carrots and onions from the pan. Put meat on carving board and slice. Place carrot in serving bowl with cooked onion. Hope you like the video. If you like the video, kindly subscribe and share. See you in next video.